In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find your investor password in MetaTrader 5. Whether you're new to this trading platform or looking to efficiently manage your accounts, understanding how to access your investor password is incredibly helpful. So, let's dive in and walk through the steps needed to find and reset this password. First, you'll want to log into your MetaTrader 5 application. Once you're there, direct your attention to the top of the screen where you'll find the View option on the menu bar. Give it a click to open a list of options that help you navigate the MetaTrader environment with ease. After clicking View, you'll notice a drop-down menu. From this menu, the next thing you should look for is Navigator. By clicking on Navigator, you'll open a panel on your screen that displays all your accounts, indicators, expert advisors, and more. This is where you control many of the functionalities of MetaTrader 5, making it a crucial component for your trading activities. Now, within the Navigator panel, locate the Accounts section. You'll want to double-click on the word Accounts. Doing so will expand the section, showing all the accounts you have added to MetaTrader 5. Find the account whose investor password you wish to change. Position your cursor over this account and give it a right-click. Right-clicking will present you with a variety of options tailored for account management. In the context menu that appears, the option you are looking for is Change Password. Selecting this option will open a new dialog box specifically designed for updating your account passwords. A key step here is to input your current account password. This is your verification that you have permission to make changes to the account. Ensure you have your current password ready. Carefully type it into the designated field to avoid any errors or typos that might cause your attempted change to fail. Now, direct your attention to the password type section within this dialog box. Here, you'll see an option to select the type of password you're changing. You need to select Investor Password. This type of password is a read-only password, meaning it allows individuals to view your account but not execute trades. It's perfect for sharing with potential investors who need to see the account's performance. Once you've selected the Investor Password, it's time to set your new password. Choose a password that's strong and secure, but also something you'll easily remember. Type in your new password and then confirm it by typing it again in the confirmation field. That completes today's step-by-step guide. You now know how to find and change your investor password in MetaTrader 5. Remember, an investor password is a useful way to share account performance data without compromising security or trading ability.